Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Combat Arms. First, you'll need to download and install the game client from the official website. Once installed, create your account and pick a unique in-game name. Don't forget to complete the initial tutorial. It's a quick way to grasp the fundamental controls like movement, aiming, and firing your weapon. This will set you up for success in your first few matches. Combat Arms offers a variety of exciting game modes. Team Deathmatch is a classic, where your team earns points by eliminating opponents. Search and Destroy demands strategic teamwork to either plant a bomb at a designated site or defuse it before it detonates. Then there's Capture the Flag, where the objective is to grab the enemy's flag and bring it back to your base while protecting your own. Each mode offers a distinct challenge. A key aspect of Combat Arms is its extensive arsenal and customization. You can select from a wide range of weapons, including powerful assault rifles, rapid-fire submachine guns, and precise sniper rifles. Enhance your firearms with attachments like scopes for better accuracy, silencers for stealth, or extended magazines for more ammunition. Don't forget to equip tactical gear such as grenades, protective armor, and unique character skins to personalize your soldier. To truly excel in Combat Arms, mastering advanced tactics is crucial. Always use cover to your advantage, minimizing your exposure to enemy fire and increasing your survivability. Effective communication with your teammates, whether through in-game chat or voice, can turn the tide of a match. Furthermore, learning the intricate layouts of each map will allow you to anticipate enemy movements and plan your attack or defense routes strategically. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.